talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Star Walk 2 app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click on this sign. So we'll go back, you click in this sign here down. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you click here on settings here. Then you come to next zip here. Then all you have to do now, so you just come here to fast share into gallery. Just click here in this sign on this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean here fast share into gallery disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.